She's an Indian mountaineer and motivational speaker. She's on her mission to climb the highest peaks of all 7 continents, known as 7 summits, and also to reach the farthest point on the globe, the South Pole to North Pole. Requesting you to speak few words.
Honorable Chief Guest, Jaiprakash Garu, and all the lovely ladies here, a very good evening, and wishing you a happy Women's Day. And I really like to thank Hi9 for giving me this opportunity and recognizing what I've done. I would really like to thank my parents, firstly, because of them, it is who I am today. And I would give all the credits, and whatever I am receiving today and whatever I am today is all because of my father. And I miss my dad because he's no more with me now. And he's the backbone for whatever I am today. And today has been a very emotional day for me because from morning I have been attending various talks. And there wasn't a moment that I have not remembered him because he plays a very important role for me. And I think whatever I am, I would only give the credits to my parents because they have grown me up as a strong girl. I won't say I'm a woman because I'm still 19 years old and I'm still pursuing my 12th grade. But my father has taught me many things from a very young age, and I believe that when a girl is given the right opportunity, when she's given the right support, when she's given the right encouragement to do what she wants to, girls will successfully fly high with flying colors. It no matter whatever the career they choose, it's just that they need the right encouragement and the right upbringing of the child. It is all upon the parents how they bring up their child. I know I have seen my parents bring me up and my younger brother. They have never stopped me. They have never restricted us from doing whatever we like. Yes, they have guided us, but they have never said no. They've always said, try it. If you like it, we will support you. But if you don't like it, you will not be able to do, even if you have the money, you have all the resources. If you don't like it, you will not be able to succeed it. So my father, my parents have never pushed me into this. It is all my like, and it is all my passion that I am today what I am. So I would only, I'm not in such an age where I could give suggestions or something like that to elders, but I can say that children and girls, they will turn into beautiful people the only way you mold them and bring them up. Just don't say no to whatever they ask for. Just guide them, because my father has done that. And we have been training many people. You know, I am 19 years old, but I have the experience and I have the confidence that I can take 100 people group to any peak, because I have that leadership qualities. My father has found that, and he has brought me up as a leader. And I believe that I can do it. So if you believe you can, nothing is going to stop you. And I would just like to end with a quote that I normally use. We all know butterflies, right? They are very vibrant, they're beautiful, but they cannot see themselves. We humans, we women are like that. Until and unless someone tells you that you are good in this, you are good in that, we don't recognize ourselves. So let's start recognizing ourselves and let's bring a change. Yes, the change is to be seen, but we have a very long way to go. And I want to be that change and want to bring that change in girls and support and help them achieve their dream and experience the satisfaction of doing what you love. Because I know what is the satisfaction you get after achieving what you started. And when it comes to an end, that is a wonderful experience. Thank you so much. This is Janvi signing out. Jai Hind.